Ye banks and braes, O bonny Doon, how can ye bloom sae fresh and fair? How can ye chant, ye little birds, and I say weary folkin? Thou'll break my heart, thou warbling bird that wantons through the flowery thorn. Thou mind me, O departed joys, departed never to return. Oft hae I roved by bonny Doon to see the rose and woodbine twine, and ilka bird sings o' its love, and fondly say did I, O mine. Weel some heart I put a rose fu' sweet upon each thorny tree. But my false lover stole my rose, and he left the thorn wi' me. Like many Scottish school children, I learned that in primary school from our lovely primary music specialist, Mrs. Martin. I think she was rather ahead of her time because she also taught us the Geely Peace song alongside this. Burns writes a lovely letter to his publisher explaining a bit about the history of the tune of this song. Apparently there was an Edinburgh writer, a Mr. James Miller, who'd expressed the wish to write a Scotch air. He was informed by a local organist, Mr. Stephen Clark, that, somewhat jokingly, that what he needed to do was only use the black notes of the harpsichord and give it a certain rhythm. Musicians would know this as being based on the pentatonic chord, pentatonic note scale, which many Scottish tunes are. And in fact, you can try this off yourself if you start on the set of two keys, start on the lower one, and you'll be able to play the whole song with this. James Miller also incorporated the rhythm known as the Scotch snap. Very likely in this song, it occurs in the "Can ye bloom say," and that Scotch snap rhythm was meant to make you think of the water running over a burn. I think I've said that before. A beautiful song, and I'm sure one which school children learn, but actually as you get on in life begins to be much more of an emotional tune and a very beautiful one.